How to determine the mechanical seal model. There may be significant difference in the naming of the same mechanical seal among different manufacturers. When choosing a mechanical seal, it is important to accurately identify the model based on its performance parameters and structural form. Here are a few series for your reference. 1. WBR series. 2. MTN series. 3. 109 series. 4. 104 series. 5. 105 series. If you need specific design parameters, please feel free to contact us at any time.